guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. And in today's video we are going to be doing a room organization and cleaning and all of that. So I did film this almost 2 months back and I did not post it, I'm sorry, but since I was staying in Mangalore while I was doing my college, I never got to actually organize and make this room my own room. So once I got back, I was waiting to get another furniture for storage, and once I got that one, I still procrastinated, and I finally got to doing it about 2 months back. And I filmed the whole process and I wanted to share it with you guys, but I did not share it back then, but I'm gonna share it right now. So I have made it into 2 videos, where the first video I'll be cleaning and organizing only my cupboard, and in the second video I will be cleaning and organizing my chest of drawers and my shelf. For today's video, we'll be organizing only my wardrobe. So if you guys do like watching cleaning and organization kind of motivation videos, then keep on watching. And if you guys do like this video, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and also please do subscribe to my channel. That would just mean a lot. So yes, all that said, let's jump into the video. Hey guys, so welcome to my messy room. We are going to clean my very messy room today. I thought I'll start organizing when I get the chest of drawers, but I got it like around a month ago and I still haven't started. And that thing is getting so cluttered that it's just getting very messy at this point, and I really need to get to organizing my cupboard and everything. So I'm not the most messy person, but this is messy for me and I need to clean it, because if I don't, my mind just doesn't work anymore, because I can't get the things I need. I can't keep things in their own place because everything's just so cluttered and I can't deal with it. So yeah, we are going to clean it. I will show you guys a before that I just shot now, and then we'll get started with the cupboard. You enter into my room, this is the view that you get, and right to the side we have some clothes lying down there, Max blanket, and then that's the washroom, and then we have the dresser, my cupboard, a lot of random things on my cupboard, and then that's my yoga mat, stool, because I need something to sit on when I'm filming, and I usually sit on my chair, but then my chair is completely filled with a lot of stuff. I've just dumped everything onto my chair, so I brought in another stool for filming. It needs to go actually. Once I'm done cleaning that one, this one can go. And then my camera has a towel on it. Oh my god, I'm so lazy. So that's the situation right now. And then we have my table mate, which is very dirty. Then we have my bag hanging there, not so much of a mess. Looking from this side, my table mate, as you can see, is very cluttered. And then my bed is not that bad. And then we have the shelf, which I'll show you in close. I really can't do anything about that. That'll just go inside my bed, because I do need a lot of plug points. And I'll show you that. It's very messy. And yeah, that's my room. And then we have some random boxes there. This side of my shelf is pretty much organized. The books, I know which books are sitting where, I know exactly what is there, so I'm not going to touch a lot of that. But this side, as you guys can see, it is very messy. I don't even know half of the things that's there. I don't even know what it is, so I really need to declutter the whole of this part. And on top there is nothing there, so I have a lot of space for storage. And you're gonna get a close-up into this, and we have random things sitting on the window side, and that is what the top of my cupboard looks like. Very bad, I know. This is the new dresser that I got. It is brand new, people, but I have already made it so messy. Like, just look at that. Top, I have all of my skincare, like that, the things that I use every single day. But what is that's an empty bottle of Pringles, and we have empty bottles of skincare sitting there. It's just a mess. We'll clear that. This is kind of like my nightstand plus a tea station, kind of. I do like to drink tea like throughout the day, so yeah, it looks damn messy. Terrible has happened, and okay, so every night when I'm sleeping, I get these small bites, and I kept thinking, like, there's no mosquito in my room, okay? There's no mosquito in the upstairs. So I kept thinking, what is it? And at times I used to find like 1 or 2 ants on my bed, and I'm like, where do these come from? I keep checking around my bed. There is nowhere. Like there's, these ants come from somewhere. They'll make a line. I keep checking for it. I couldn't find anything. I couldn't find a source. And I was just like, I do at times snack on my bed, but I dust my bed very well before I sleep. So I kept thinking, what the hell? I change my bedsheet every 2 weeks, and I change my pillow cover every 2 days. And it's been probably 1 week since I changed this bedsheet, and I have no clue where all these ants came from. I'm just gonna show you guys. So many. Oh my god, so many. I'm kind of scared, to be honest. I thought the first thing that I'll have to do was to clear my cupboard and arrange it, but the first thing that I need to do is clean my bed. Oh my god. So thankfully I can't find any more ants. I removed my bed and everything, and I also wiped off. There were a lot of ants like all over here. I think I found the source. That's their house. Destroy. Then finally start with the organization and cleaning of the cupboard. So I'm going to first transfer everything from my cupboard onto the bed. I'm watching Lucifer. So finally I'm done with my clothes. Yes, don't they look just perfect? Well, hello there. See, I have a lot of miscellaneous stuff in there. I'm going to take out all of that. I think that won't fit into the drawers. I'm going to keep all of that into that one section. I'm pretty much standing on the other side of the bed so that you can see what it looks like, and let's just fast forward. And there we have it. We'll continue tomorrow. I'm just gonna watch some Lucifer. I should have started early in the morning, but I just kept procrastinating, and right now it's 2 o'clock. All I want to do is complete my cupboard today. So I want to declutter and organize these three and the top part of my cupboard and also this part of my cupboard. And to do that, I'm going to actually take out everything from these 3 shelves and this shelf outside on the floor, and then I'm gonna kind of sort them. These are all the empty boxes or pouches and stuff that I have, and then this corner is all of my hair stuff. These 2 are empty bottles that I had, and I just using them to store my hair clips. And, you know, that is the extra makeup that cannot be fitted into my chest of drawers. So I initially thought I'll have all of my makeup in the first drawer, but then these 2 won't fit in there because the brushes are really tall, and also that drawer thingy won't fit in there. But I really need that drawer thingy because that just keeps most of my makeup like perfectly organized, because it has these drawers, and like one thing has eyeliners and the other one has liquid eyeliners, another one has all the brow stuff. So I just really don't want to mess that up. It's already organized and I'm just going to keep it that way. That is all of the skincare stuff that I have, like masks and DIY face mask stuff and cleansing nose strips and just random stuff. I might shift all of my skincare into the second drawer. That's my plan as of now. I'm not a jewelry person. I don't wear a lot of jewelry, but I have them and I don't want to throw them out. So this is what we have right now. I completely cleared off one rack because I feel like once I bring all of the clothes from Mangalore, I need some space to keep that. So I have this one empty. I DIY'd this rack. It's like a step kind of rack. I don't know if you guys can see it. Using Ferrero Rocher and Brudka boxes. And that's where I have all of my nail polishes in. I might change this into that space, like into my shelf. Do this one. I really don't know what's in there. Like it's just a lot of stuff. I don't have anything that is very precious to be kept inside a locker like that. But what if I have something in the future? So I'm going to clear that one off completely. There we have it. That is it with the organization of the wardrobe. And if you guys want to see the part 2 where I am cleaning and organizing the chest of drawers and my shelf and also the DIYs that I did, then please don't forget to check out the next video that I'm posting, which will be linked up here and also down in the description box. And yes, that is it. See you guys in the next video. As always, if you guys do like this video, give this video a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel to support me. And yeah, with all of that said, thank you so much for watching. Love you.